Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yes, mobile mechanic.
Hi. I have a 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee that stopped on me today, and I'm pretty sure it's the alternator or something that's killing my battery. Can y'all get to me today to take a look at it and possibly repair it?
Yes, sir. And you want somebody to come out today?
Yes, sir. Okay. And do you think y'all can get it repaired in the same day?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. All right. Well, what do I need to do?
Send the year, make, and model in one text and an address in a separate text.
All right. All right. Do you see my number on here, or do I need to give it to you now?
I see it.
Okay. Yeah, you can text this number.
So how long? I'll let you know when I'm on the way. So
Okay.
you can make it that way too.
Yeah, I can meet you up there. If you give me about 30 minutes. No, you'll notice of when you're leaving. I can meet you up there.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. Thank you now.
No problem.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.